Hello, welcome back. Today I'm trying out some new products I got over the weekend. Priming my eyelids with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Beige. Starting with the shade Uptown from the e.l.f. Cosmetics, the new Classics palette Trough the Crease. This is the perfect soft neutral crease shade for a softer eye look. Deepening the outer corner with the shade Muse. It's keeping with the neutral undertone, just a medium dark brown. Packing rose gold on the lid, softly blending it into the outer corner a little bit. This shade is called rose gold, but it's actually copper. Everyone calls copper shades rose gold when they're not pinky at all. Adding a little more Muse to the outer corner to blend everything. Softening and setting the concealer on the brow bone with the shade Cream, it's just a skin tone nude. Starting my base with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Power Grip Primer with 4% niacinamide. I just got the new Power Grip setting spray, so I wanted to make sure I used the matching primer. Covering my dark circles and anywhere I want extra coverage with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Beige. This concealer blends out and matches so well, I can almost get away with just blending the edges and skipping foundation. For my base, I'm going in with a mix of the e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Liquid Filter in shade 1 and the Revlon Colorstay Foundation in 110 Ivory. I think I might start adding more of the Halo Glow to the foundation to make it even more lighter coverage. Setting my face with the Coty Air Spun Powder in Translucent with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Powder Puff. Pressing in powder where I get oily, crease or have pores. These powder puffs really press the powder into the pores for a really blurred look. Using a fluffy powder brush to lightly set the rest of my face and dusting any extra powder away. This is a new-to-me product, the ColourPop Cheek Palette in Just a Flush. This highlight is a putty formula, so you have to use a tighter packed brush or fingers to pick it up. This is the bronzer shade, called Feisty, Much. It's pretty light in color. I feel like you could barely see it. I'm pretty fair, so I went with the lightest palette and it seems like it's even too light for me law. This is the darker blush shade in Sassy Pants again. There's just almost no pigment. I don't know if I just didn't break the surface on it, but I dug into it and it was hardly showing up on me. Granted, I like a lot of blush, but it's just not showing up on my face as dark as it is in the pan. This is the highlight in shade So Healthy. Like I mentioned, it's a putty formula, so I had to use a tighter packed brush to be able to even pick any up. This palette was $12 at Ulta. I think the only part of it that's really usable is the highlight. That's only if you like a really blinding, sparkly highlight. Maybe if you're more fair, it might work for you. That glow is nuts. This is the new e.l.f. Cosmetics Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray, a bi-phase setting spray with a makeup gripping water phase and a moisturizing oil phase. Shake to activate the two. It has a fine mist for even distribution, locking in the makeup and leaving the face dewy. I filmed an update after 10 hours showing how the makeup held up. Framing the bottom lash line with Mousse. Putting rose gold on the inner third. Using the highlight in shade So Healthy on the inner corners. Adding a little more and blending out the edges. I'm missing clips of brows, liner, mascara and lip liner. Everything's in the description. Revolution Beauty Glaze Lip Oil in Lush Clear. It has cherry seed, jojoba and shea oil. It's great. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. This is how my makeup looked after 10 hours. It held up through cleaning, a little sweating and general oil buildup. Only around my nose has any disruption, but that always happens for me.